I give to the Overlake Fund because growth is very important to me. My personal growth, the growth of our school as a whole, in terms of our outreach to people who may not be able to come to our community otherwise, professional development opportunities that are offered to the faculty and the staff. All of these are things that, by giving to the Overlake Fund, I'm contributing to those. And while I feel like I have an opportunity to contribute daily in the classroom, there's missions beyond just what happens in my classroom that I want to be a part of.
Overlake is a really special part of my life for a really long time, and I know that there's a lot of really special things that happen here that don't happen at other schools, and I know it costs a lot of money to be able to do those things. Like, I think the best part of my education when I was growing up was the outdoor ed experiences and project weeks and clubs and, you know, the small class sizes, and any small way I can give back is, you know, I want to be part of this community, and I'll do it, give back.
We give because of the passion and commitment of the teachers here and the opportunities that our son has had. He started here in the 5th grade, and he'll be a senior this year, so that's almost 8 years, and that's a huge chunk of his life. And the relationships he's made here, the opportunities he's had, it's an amazing place.
The new Math and Sciences building will double the space available for the math and science programs that the school offers. What this will result in is, we can offer more classes to our middle school and high school kids related to math and science and other technologies. I'm particularly excited about the new Idea Lab because it will allow kids to kind of get together and innovate and, explore different areas of science in a more leisurely manner.
The financial aid component is also very important. Diversity is one of the reasons that we chose the Overlake School. We love how diverse the student body is, and we love how much thought admissions puts into making that student body diverse. And financial aid, I feel like, is an essential component of that. If you can give people 100% of what they need to attend the Overlake School, then it benefits those families, and those families then benefit our children, and then our children go out into the world with those experiences that they've all had together, and I think they make the world a better place.
I hope everybody is excited as I am about seeing the new building come up on our campus. But we're not done yet. We need everybody's help. We need the community to come together and raise the roof on this new building. And also, the sooner we do that, we would love the community to also help us build our financial aid endowment. It's so important to have a broad range of kids come to our school, and I hope the whole community will come together and join us in both contributing to the Overlake Fund and the capital campaign. Go Owls!